Hello friends, welcome to Stocks in Uptrend. Today we will talk of a very interesting stock market indicator, that is moving average. Friends, stock market has approximately 140 indicators. It is very difficult to deal with all the indicators while trading. As per your choice, you can select 1, 2 or maximum 3 indicators that should give you buy and sell signals and money. Moving average is a lagging indicator and most promising of all the indicators. It is a lagging indicator because it is calculated from the past data. Moving average can be used in all the type of setups and in any kind of stock trading. Trading could be intraday, swing trading, or it could be a positional trading. Intraday trading means buy and sell has to be completed on the same day. Swing trading means you can carry the position from day 1 to couple of months. And positional trading means you have set the target, then only you will exit. Friends, I must tell you, moving averages are applicable in stock trading all over the world in a similar way. Moving average is a technical indicator used in the stock market to smooth price data over specified period of time to identify the trend. Mind you, to identify the trend. Now there are two things in this. One is the smoothing data and other is to identify trend. Smoothing price data means what? Moving average will neutralize impact of good or bad news in a short period of time. Hence it smooths the price data. And it identifies the trend. Friends, in this chart I have taken, you can see the moving average of 10. You can see here, moving average of 10. This is moving average of 10. The price is moving above and price is moving below the moving average. When the price is above the moving average, it is known as uptrend. And when the price moves below the moving average, it is known as downtrend. As you can see here, this is uptrend. The price is moving above the moving average of 10, uptrend. Here the prices are moving above the moving average of 10, it is uptrend. Similarly, when the price moves below the moving average, it is downtrend, as you can see here and as you can see here. So it will smooth the price data, it will neutralize the effect of news and also identify perfect trend for trading. MA is used to determine the momentum, support resistance, generate buy and sell signals in all the type of trading. Friends, I must tell you, as I have already said, that moving average is an indicator. And the purpose of, only single purpose of indicator is to give you buy and sell signal. So, moving average gives very accurate buy and sell signals. Let us check one or two instances. But before going ahead, let us see what types of moving averages are. There is one moving average which is known as simple moving average and another is exponential moving average. Simple moving average calculates the average price of a security or a stock over a specified period of time, giving equal weight to each day closing price. Friends, if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. I have taken 10 days moving average, as you can see here. It is moving average of 10, right? Now what has happened, the average closing price means the stock has closed here, closed here, closed here, closed here, closed here, closed here, closed here. 10 days average actually is this point of moving average, previous 10 days, because it is a lagging indicator, right? Similarly, you now calculate for another 10 days time, and the next will be somewhere here, then it will be here, and hence you will have the line of 10 days moving average. This is a simple moving average. You are giving equal weight to the closing price of previous 10 candles or previous 10 days closing price. Exponential moving average, friends, there is a formula. Now this is something very tedious formula, and in exponential moving average, the weightage is given to the recent prices, means more weightage is given to this 1 2 3 4, and lesser weightage will be given to the previous candles. So you need not calculate these prices, as exponential moving average and simple moving average is calculated by the software provided by your broker or trader, and you need not calculate, as I have not calculated this and it has simply come to me. Friends, let us check now the crossover, how buy and sell signals are given. Here you can see the moving average, simple moving average. I have written simple moving average of 10 and simple moving average of 50. You could also do, by clicking here and here, you could also take the exponential moving average. Now when we take two moving averages, that is of 10 and 50, then there is naturally going to be a crossover. At the lower crossover you buy, and at the higher crossover you sell. This is so simple. It is all computerized. So moving average gives buy and sell signals, as we have seen here. Friends, we will see one more example where we will take a different moving average. Here in this we have taken 10 and 15 moving average. Let us check with one more. Here moving average which we have taken here is, you can see this moving average we have taken is 10 and 5. Right? So the crossover is here: buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That means at crossover you are buying and selling. Red ones are the selling points and green one are the buying points. So moving averages will give the trader very accurate buying and sell signals. They are automatically generated by the software given by your broker. Thank you very much. See you in the next clip of moving average shortly. Thank you.